that?
Rubber band.
A rubber band.
Daniel, we have something we need to do. Rubber band.
Do you have a rubber band?
No. Oh, maybe I have it on my head.
Where?
You have a rubber band on your head? Hey, oh.
Ah.
Really, please, so 3 times left, right? Please really try. If you really don't know the word.
Look. Remove legs from the chest.
Okay, do you know what chest is? Yeah, that's right. Chest is part of your body. This foot isn't on properly here, guys. Can you fix it? You know how to fix this one, guys? I don't know. See, it's not clicked. It didn't click in there. So you just push it and break it.
Do you have batteries already?
Yeah, there are batteries inside. Did you put them in the right way?
Yes.
So plus with plus and minus with minus?
Yes.
Okay, let me try and this one too doesn't. Oh, there we go. That's clicked in. There we go. Okay.
Small.
So the
No,
feet are on.
Ten small.
This is.
No, teacher, we need
You need a rubber band, really?
but this one.
Where do you put the rubber band?
But this one. This one we need to put Sophie.
You put the rubber band in there.
Teacher, this is
Robot. Robot?
This is robot.
Okay, so it can roll. Roll, right? It will roll.
But this one. It's roll mode.
Roll mode, okay.
What is Romo?
It can roll, I guess.
Ah.
Roll.
I know.
Maybe we have a rubber band right here.
I know. We need to do that. It's little. Have three side can go like this.
Where the arms are so loose?
Yeah.
Why?
Look. You need to pull that out. I don't know. Pull it out.
This balloon is impossible to blow up.
Pull it out. Huh? Pull this out. Yes. Pulling the foot button up will turn the switch up.
Oh, okay. So turn the switch on, so you can turn it on if you pull something out. Is that it, Sophie? You can pull part of the foot out
No.
and turn it on?
Just like that.
Oh yeah, okay. I think you're right. You have to pull that out.
Maybe.
Let me take another look.
Yes.
You don't have to pull it out. You have to pull it up.
Yes. Up.
Yeah, is that okay? Is it up?
Wait.
Yeah, I can help, sure.
There. What is that?
only one hand is moving.
No, you're swinging it around. Oh, the other hand is tied up. Maybe.
Oh!
Whoa. Uh-oh.
Oh, this one.
Maybe push his foot in. I think he sounds a little broken. Okay, make him stop.
I think you can put this on the robot on this.
Yeah, you guys want to put it on the floor? Oh, I see. His arm got tied up there, huh?
Put on this.
You have to save him. You have to rescue him.
Put on
He's all
here.
tied up.
How can his arm just go inside?
Maybe you can.
Okay.
Move. Yeah, there you go. Oh, careful.
You okay?
Maybe you can try and hide the wires a little bit so it doesn't happen again. Okay. That's good. I'm happy to hear you guys speaking English. So yeah, hide the wires a little bit, huh? Brian or Daniel?
Something
To tie them up, maybe, Sophie? Yeah. Tie up the wires.
No. Wait. Put it on the ground.
Yeah, put it on the ground.
No, put on this.
Do you-
They will fall down.
Do you think the wires are gonna catch the arm again? Let's see.
Wait, Dana, wait.
Oh, oi!
Can you get up? Let's see.
Oh!
There you go. Sometimes he tries to walk when he's still on the ground.
Oh, your wire is still. Oh.